Hey guys, just one thing I have to say is that this video is filmed in two parts on two separate days because of the way the orders were coming in, and yes, that's why I'm in a different outfit for the clothing section of this haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am sharing a few things I got during quarantine. I am going to be talking category wise. I'm going to jump right into it because I have a few products and I do not want the video to be absolutely like long. So the first thing I actually got, it is the Derma Suction Pore Cleaning device. It comes with like 4 kinds of heads. I haven't used it yet. So this is how it comes. It's a big device. The size of it is pretty good. I have opened it and repacked it for the videos. So this is the head it comes with. It is just like a really big this, and it uses 2 batteries. These I put in. It is very inexpensive, I have to say. This is the sound it makes. I don't know if you could hear or not, but that's the sound it makes when it's on. The small head is for gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. This one. The large head is strong suction, perfect for blackheads. Oval head is oval opening for getting into corners of the nose and mouth, and sonic helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from the skin. Then we have footwear, one thing only. So I got this pair of black H&M sandals slash slippers, whatever you want to call it. They are just a very like basic classic piece of footwear which I have like 3 more of these. I wear them all the time. I got these on sale on H&M, so I just grabbed a pair. The next category is jewelry. I am wearing half of it on my ears. I went with like a mismatched look today. It's a set of earrings and cuffs. It has some of the prettiest cuffs of all times. So I'm going to like share a picture of how they look. I got these 2 products from Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy collection. First, I'm going to talk about body lotion. It is this one for sleep. It is in the lavender and cedarwood scent with natural essential oils. Bath & Body Works is my favorite fragrance brand. Candles, body products, wallflowers. I just love each and everything. This is my first ever purchase from the aromatherapy line. I have been using this quite often and I absolutely love the scent of it. I love the packaging. I love the product. The other thing I got is the Thankful by Bath & Body Works. It's with essential oil and it's a body wash and foam bath. Oh my god, it is one of the most amazing scents I've ever smelled. I just love it. I love the fact that it has glitter to it, so it gives like a body shine when you use it in the shower. The next thing is also scent related. I think this was running a 50% off if I remember correctly. If not 50, it was definitely 40. Somewhere between that. I got the Elizabeth Arden 5th Avenue perfume spray. I have an obsession with scents. I never really shared that with you guys until recently. It was even one of the points I mentioned for how to always look put together is scents, because they play a very important role in life in general, with your mood, how you feel, just everything is really related to scents. So I got this one off of Tata Click Luxury and I really love this scent a lot. So this is not on the sweet fragrance side. It is more of a stronger, not very girly, like a boss lady kind of a scent. This is what I feel when I wear this. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain exactly what it is. Top notes are the soft florals of lilac, dewy magnolia and linden blossom. Green heart notes embrace the white floral scent of sweet jasmine, carnation and Indian tuberose. The base notes are composed of spicy sandalwood and Tibetan Musk. This fragrance makes you feel stylish and confident at the office and seductive when you wear it in the evening. Well, I am feeling right. I did describe it correctly, like half of it correctly, so I'm happy about that. It isn't a girly smell, it is like a boss lady, confident at office kind of a scent. I've had my skincare routine the same for a really long time. I wanted to try out certain new products because I am facing under eye, dark circle issues and stuff like that. I wanted to try this brand called Mama Earth. It is the under eye cream with cucumber and coffee. It is a long shot, like a lot of them said that it takes about 8 months to 1 year for effects to show. And the next brand I wanted to try was Dot and Key. I first of all love the packaging, like pastel white green, really good. I got the Skin Awakening Moisture Boost Serum. This has peppermint and lavender. I apply this first thing in the morning. It just like makes my skin feel fresh and just it makes me feel awake, my skin feel awake. Then we have 2 new nail paints now. I have been really into very neutral kind of colors recently. I got like a beige color and I got like a really light pink. This is a repurchase and this one is a new purchase, and I really like this color a lot. So now coming to makeup, I bought the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara in brown. I was initially going for the black one, but then I realized I do not have a single brown mascara. All the mascaras I have are black. It is what I'm wearing right now, so I'm happy about that. I really like this mascara, like it's good for daily wear. Then I have 2 lip liners. I have had this one in the shade Toffee for quite a while and I am running out of it, so I got a new one. It is a shade I'm wearing right now, and then it's topped up with a liquid lipstick of the same shade. This is the kind of shade I love to wear on a daily basis. And then I got a new color, which is the Nude. It's a very pretty. I love it so much. This is again a very daily wear kind of a color. This is an expensive buy. I had to really think it over. I have been watching Malvika Setlani, Ashna Shah and a few others talk about this product. So I got it, and it is the Versali Liquid Glass. I kept the box for this video and I have already used this a couple of times. I got the smaller one. This is 10 ml and it is very expensive. It is really expensive. You just have to use like a tiny little amount. I have to say it is a very good product if you're open to investing in makeup, which it definitely is an investment. I'm not gonna deny that. A natural glow to your skin. This is one of the best products I have come across. Beauty blenders. I am a beauty blender person for every single thing for my face. I use a beauty blender to blend it. I had been buying mine from Forever 21 and now I don't know what's wrong. Either I'm not able to find the one I have been using or they have changed the material or whatever they've done. It is not the same, and the one I have from there, which I absolutely love. I have been using it for like 3 years. The time of it's gonna end soon and I have been trying to find a good beauty blender that I like. I got the one by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Blend Master. I got the one in black. Now like it's nice and squishy and soft. I really want to give this a try and I'll probably give an update on my Instagram. And the last few products are for the eyes. One is a repurchase. It is the Maybelline Colossal Liner. I have been doing a lot of makeup looks where the eye look is the statement and not my lip. I have been enjoying doing statement eye looks. I have a makeup video every Wednesday on my IGTV. I got this color called Rich Ruby. I really like Color Bar eye pencils. They're really good. Wow, this is beautiful. It does have a little like sheen to it. And then I got this one in Opulent Green. This is the green. The first thing is actually the same style in two different colors. It is a major trend this summer season and it is halter neck bodysuits. I got one in this nice pastel blue color. It is like a really light summery pastel color, and the next color I got it in is this very pretty skin color. I love the material. I love how soft they are. They're absolutely seamless, and you can definitely wear it with a normal bra, or you can even wear it with nipple pasties. These are a perfect basic piece for your wardrobe. The next one is like this oversized tank top, and it has like slits on the side, and it is a very nice and light material. It is see-through. I just really love this piece and I love the color, and the next two things are also the same style but different colors and a bit of a different material as well, but the style is very similar. It is these crop tank tops. Again, these are very in these days, and they are definitely again a basic and a staple if you're into cropped pieces for daily wear. I just really enjoy the fit of these. I just feel like these, again, like the bodysuit, can be paired with so many things: trousers, shorts, skirts. They would look nice under blazers. So these few kind of staples I really enjoy having. The next thing is a pair of trousers. I got this pair on sale. It is a very basic trouser, a tapered style with and it has pleats over here on top, and the back is elasticated. I got this in the size small. When I have to go for meetings, I look for certain comfortable pairs of trousers which I can pair with blazers and everything. But the next pair is these jogger style trousers. They are a little tight for me around the thigh, and I like my joggers or trousers to be a little loose. So I am returning these, and they are not available in a size up. I would suggest that you size up in this particular pair if you're looking to buy. The next category in the clothing segment is dresses, and this is the last category. I have been enjoying wearing dresses so much. I have just been in that mood that I want to wear dresses, and it's been a long time since I felt like this. The first thing I got, it is a winter piece because it has like a warm lining inside. It is this very basic black dress, and it has a puff sleeve. Now puff sleeves are also really in trend these days. The second dress is like this really cute elastic dress, and it has like these layers, and it is like a balloon finish but a very subtle one. Again, a very cute fitting. I just really like this dress a lot. It's a very girly dress. You can definitely wear it as is or cinch it at the waist with a belt. The next piece is something I absolutely fell in love with. In fact, the next two pieces, something I absolutely fell in love with. This one is, the first one is this really gorgeous white straight dress, and it again has a puff sleeve. This is a beautiful dress. It's like one of those elegant dresses you don't wear on a daily basis. It's something you wear for like a special occasion. The last piece is this really pretty tropical floral blue and green with white print. I saw this, I could not stop thinking about it. These colors, they just had me attracted. This is a dress style lace suit. So it's a dress on the outside, and it has shorts lining on the inside, and it is a wraparound. So that was the last piece of this haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will be doing like only a try on section on my IGTV with all these outfits. I will have all the prices on the screen as well as the links in the description box below. I'm going to see you guys in my next video now. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy, and thank you for joining.